Hi, Milorad here. Look at this beautiful, beautiful bread. This is Focaccia Tonda Classica from the store that is called Italy. It's kind of Eat Italy, and they kind of shorten it to call it Italy. Okay? And with this Focaccia Tonda, I kind of need to eat something with it, and I decide to use this. I have this smoked wild salmon that I bought maybe a month ago, and it comes in this kind of pouch, and I already emptied the pouch right here. This is the salmon, and it's also some kind of liquid that comes with this salmon. And I'm also going to use this duck egg that I used before. There's only one left. I need to use it. And then I have just the 2 pieces of baby bella or portobello mushrooms. I have 1 Serrano pepper for a little bit of heat, and of course I have this wild onions that I picked up the other day, and I made a video about foraging for these wild onions, and you can see this video right here. Now I have all the ingredients ready. Now let's go and start cooking. Today I'm going to cook, maybe we can call it frittata or omelette, that we'll put inside of this Focaccia Tonda as kind of sandwich. Okay, ready to cook. We have a frying pan here. We have this extra virgin olive oil that we will use some, and then now we can put these wild onions. Okay, looks like we have this on too high. We will lower temperature. Now we have this Serrano pepper and baby bella mushrooms. Now when our mushrooms and onions and Serrano pepper are cooking, I'm beating this duck egg. Oh, this looks good. Looks like this Serrano pepper looks, it's spicy. Well, you never know with Serrano pepper. Sometimes they are really spicy, sometimes they are not. Looks like this one is, because my wife and I start sneezing just inhaling this vapor from cooking. Sorry. We lower the temperature because we don't want this to burn. Now we will add this salmon, smoked salmon, and also this liquid that was with smoked salmon. And this doesn't need to cook very long because it's a smoked salmon, it's ready to eat. I just need a little bit to combine. This is almost done. Now we will put this beaten egg, duck egg, and I also added vegeta, that's seasoning from Croatia that I use in everything. Our omelette or frittata is ready. I finished cooking. Now I will go and make a sandwich. We cut this focaccia tonda in a half and then kind of open it in the middle to make two equal pieces. And now I'm going to put roasted red peppers hummus that I have here, and I will put it on this bread. It's really not necessary, but I have these leftovers that I need to use. And now our frittata or omelette with wild onions, mushrooms, smoked salmon, and the duck egg goes at the top. And the second part goes on this one. Okay, now we need to put these two pieces back together. Okay, and well, there it is. Now I will just cut it in the middle because it's too big, it's difficult to start eating. Okay, ready to cut. It goes nicely through. Actually, I'm going to cut again. And now I have a bunch of these 4 triangles that I can easily go and start biting in. Look at that. Looking good, huh? Now I can start eating my focaccia tonda bread with frittata of smoked salmon, duck egg, wild onions, baby bella mushroom, and serrano pepper. It's spicy. Serrano pepper looks like this one was really spicy. I can taste it. And also smoked salmon. This is really good smoked salmon. And duck egg, creamy. So good.